Hello everybody, welcome back to Threads, Knots and Love. My name is Mitali and on my channel I make beginner friendly, easy and fun to do crochet projects. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that bell icon. I'm sure you don't want to miss any of my tutorials, as here I stitch with threads, knots and a whole lot of love. Let's see what we are going to make for today. Today we are going to make this very pretty small sunflower. Let's have a look at what are the items required for the same. The very first thing that you will need is 2 colors yarn. You will need a brown for the center and any bright yellow color for the petals. Now I'm going to use this yellow cotton thread and I'm going to use the commensurate hook size, that is 3.5 mm. You can use any yarn and you can use the commensurate hook size for that yarn. You will also need a pair of scissors, some fiber filling, stitch marker, a tapestry needle. If you want to convert your sunflower into a key ring, then the key ring with the link, and if you have, then use your jewelry pliers, otherwise just use your hands to apply pressure and close the link. Chaliye, I'll set aside all of this and we will start. We have to start this project with the magic ring. Hold it like so, make the cross, go under the first one, over the second one like so, under this working end and make a slip stitch. Got it? Now if you leave it, your magic ring will not unravel. Tighten it. We are ready to make our first row. In the first row, we are going to make 5 single crochet into this ring. So yarn along. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now pull this loose end and close the first row. Okay, so here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 and this is our 5th one, that is the very first one. We are going to insert our hook into this one and start our second. So insert your hook into the first stitch, grab the yarn, pull out, okay, and make your first slip stitch here. Now make one more into the same stitch like so. So what we have done is we have made an increase. From the same stitch we have now got 2 stitches here. Let's put a marker on the very first stitch, okay, like so. We are going to do this for the remaining 4 stitches as well. So insert, as a beginner, it is advisable that after every round you count your stitches. Okay, so let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So we've finished our round 2. Let's take out the marker. For the round 3, we are going to make 1 single crochet and 1 increase. Okay, so make 1 single crochet in your first chain. Let's mark the stitch. Now in the second one, make 2 single crochet. Again 1 and 2 in the next one. Like that, at the end of this round you will have 15 single crochets. Again, let's quickly count our stitches. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 and 15. All right, so we have 15 single crochet done. For the third round, we are going to make 1 single crochet, another single crochet, and then an increase. So let's start. Insert, put your marker, another single crochet, and now the increase. Again, and an increase in this last one. This should give us our 20 stitches in the last row. Now to close this, I am just going to make a slip stitch, and I'm going to snip off the yarn. All right. Use your tapestry needle to secure the loose ends. We need 2 of these. So I've already made 1, and this is the second one. Now we are going to start making our petals. You can also just twist in the yarn here like so, like I've done. Match your circles, and you can start from anywhere. Okay, just make sure that the correct sides are on the outside. So let's begin. Let's join our yellow yarn. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the yarn and join. Okay, and make a slip stitch to secure. Now you're going to chain 1 before we start our next row to give it the height. All right, let's secure this yellow one also inside and hold these tightly. Ready? Let's go. So the pattern for this one is, in the next stitch, from the next stitch onwards, we are going to make 1 double crochet, 1 triple crochet, chain 2 and stitch in the same triple crochet, then 1 more triple crochet, 1 double crochet, and then slip stitch in the next one. Let's see how we do it. So this is our next stitch here, and the next one on the back side. Make sure that you're getting both. We'll be yarn over, insert into the next stitch, pull through, make your double crochet, yarn over twice, insert, pull through, make your treble crochet. Okay, now chain 2. This chain 2 is just to give it that extra ruffle on the top. Now you can see this stitches here. We are going to do a slip stitch in the stitch. Okay, you have to grab the topmost of both both these stitches. Okay, so just grab that, pull through and make a slip stitch. All right, now make another treble crochet into the same stitch. Make a double crochet into the same stitch. And make a slip stitch in the next stitch. So this is the next one, and I'm going to just make a slip stitch into this one. So here my first petal is ready. Now I'm going to continue all around and I'll see you at the end of the petals. Alright, so now we are almost at the end of our flower petals, and I'm going to just remove this and I'm going to tell you how to fill the fiber. So if you just put your finger inside, you will be able to separate the two centers and you will get the gap. Okay, now take your fiber and slowly, with the help of your finger, keep squishing it and put it inside, as much thick as you want. Okay, and I think this should be enough for this small little sunflower. This is more than enough. Okay, it gives it a little cushion effect and this is how it looks. So make sure everything is nicely inside. Let's insert our hook back into the loop and crochet our last two petals. So yarn over, insert, out. So that gives us double crochet, yarn over twice, insert, treble crochet, chain 2 and slip stitch. Okay, okay, now treble again, and a double. Now slip stitch into the next one and you're ready to make your last petal in this chain. So yarn over, insert, oops, yarn over twice, chain 2, insert, slip stitch, again another treble, and the last double, followed by a slip stitch in the very first. Okay, so we do the slip stitch here, and just to secure the flower, we do one more chain and snip off. Okay, now you can see that your sunflower is ready and blooming. We will now just secure this end. Now just from the other side, take it in, go under a couple of stitches, make sure that it is nice and secure, and come back in any one of the stitches. So this gives us here. So your lovely sunflower is ready. Now if you want to make it into a keychain, all you need to do is open up the link, put it through the keychain, put it through any one of the loops and just join in. Okay. Just join in, secure. All right. Here your keychain is ready. Let me know in the comments if you like the tutorial, and do follow us for more. Thank you so much.